Hey everyone, good morning. I am in the hammock on Vancouver Island, kind of near Victoria, kind of near a similar camping spot to the video from Victoria and Salt Spring and the Vancouver Island Bikepacking Collective, which is where we're going today as well. And we are going to Cowichan Lake and kind of Stoltz Pools, which I've never been to before. It's about 80 kilometers with about 1,000 meters of elevation and about like 80% on gravel, unpaved surfaces. So getting a bit of a push, bit of a challenge. Probably gonna have some food, meet up the crew for the Vancouver Island Bikepacking Collective, and yeah, we'll see how we let's go meet the crew there. But it's like a half an hour bike ride to the meetup spot, so should be fine. Oh my god, my stomach. So we made it through Victoria, through the upper hills. Now we're starting the big upper hill, basically starting the bulk of the climb, most of the elevation. Again, we're doing in total 1,100 meters. I don't know what the peak of this is, but definitely a push for me, and you kind of need that going in, and definitely feeling it. Walked my bike up for a few minutes and probably might do some more of that, or yeah, who knows. Yeah, rain's coming, a little bit of sun showers. Whew. There you go. Yeah, so probably gonna put away the camera. You're gonna let me focus on this climb. Maybe we'll check in with you at the top, or maybe I'll just see you at the campsite for some vegan food B-roll, or probably we'll just be so hungry. So if it's a bit of a minimal video, you know why. Whew. Alright babes, this is bike packing, is what we signed up for. I'm gonna walk it.
I can deal with it.
Me and Bodhi are just hanging out.
Leave it where it is.
How you doing, Bodhi? This is Bodhi. They're an adventure cat. Bodhi, you want to go for an adventure? Let's go.
Make use of my zip tie.
Yeah, I've never seen anything like this before. It's wild. as you can see, it's a bit of an obstacle that we will have to overcome in order to continue our trip home to Duncan and then to Crofton, and then we're taking the ferry to Salt Spring. But before that, and we have to literally cross this huge gap.
In the event of an emergency, please stop what you're doing and follow directions from the crew. They will guide you to the emergency assembly area, life jackets, and marine evacuation systems located on the vehicle deck. If necessary, a crew member will instruct you on how to put on a life jacket. If you need any assistance, please ask a crew member. Thank you and safe travel.